Well, friends, the veterans of medical profession have been asked for to join to render help to the nation for fighting this menace. And when as a nation combined together, we are fighting for last 15 days more precisely, it is essential to assess the ground realities of the situation. I'll be explaining to you the ground realities in four phases, but let me first tell you an important data. You see, we have 28 states, 8 union territories, and the total population is 133 crore. 50% of the cases, for your information, have died in 6 states. Those states are Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Maharashtra, and Delhi, and Jharkhand. So these are the 6 states. These 6 states comprise 34 crore population. So out of 133 crore, out in these 6 states where only population is 34 crore, 50% of the population of India has died. This is the gray area where we have to work, and we are not blaming any government, any state government, but then these are the gray areas, especially Maharashtra and Delhi are already there, all of you know, but the remaining 4 states also I have told you. So out of the 133 crore, in these 6 states only 34 crore population dwell, and 50% of the deaths are in these states. These are the gray areas, we have to work there more. Now coming to the ground realities. Firstly, I'll tell you what is the present position and how progressive we are at the moment. You see, 15 crore, about 15 crore population has already been vaccinated. 1/4 of the population is already recovered after testing. 1/4 of the population roughly is recovered without testing, and 1/4, I presume, being a medical, healthcare worker, I can presume that 1/4 of the population is naturally immunized and is not likely to get the corona infection. Now, this is the phase 1 where present position is like this, and in phase 2 I'll tell you the 50% of the war we have already won. How we have won, let me explain to you. This is for the first time in the history of India and in history of the world that a country like India has been helped by 40 countries. Out of 200 countries, 40 countries have come forward voluntarily, and more are likely to come to render help for providing oxygen, equipment, medicine, raw material, etc. Now, second point of 50% war, how we have won, is that there is a move for catching the black marketeers and the hoarders, and we have been able to check them well. Now, as regards to injection remdesivir, I'll tell you it is difficult to catch them so easily. So as a healthcare worker, I can suggest to the government that any hospital or agency, any distributor, should ask for empty vials of the remdesivir with the name of the patient to whom it has been administered, failing which a heavy penalty should be levied. So this is one way how it can be stopped. Now, the chori of the oxygen. You see, every normal size cylinder contains 1246 liter of oxygen, and there is a particular speed to administer the oxygen in every case. So that assessment can easily be done, and the theft can be caught. So therefore, the government has already caught various establishments where they are hoarding, and that is a very appreciable thing. Now, deficiency of beds. You see, it can be easily made up by beds, normal bed, folding bed, stretcher, trolley, wheelchair. All these can be used for administering oxygen. Not necessary that a proper standard size bed should only be used. So therefore there is no panic in that, and in future maybe the amount of beds we are laying may not be required. This is what I personally presume and assess. Now, oxygen cylinders, concentrators, nebulizers, homeopathic medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, Unani medicine, allopathic medicine, all these are being used to make up the deficiency of the oxygen. and concentrators and nebulizers are also being used, which is a one-time expenditure on least expense. Manpower, Army, Navy, Air Force, government servants, the retirees who have just retired 1 and 2 years, and railways and government employees, all are being mobilized, and that is a very good thing. Then there is also a provision where in the national urgency of this kind, the veterans who have just retired within 5 years, they can be called upon. So this is phase 2, how we have won the 50% of the battle. Now in phase 3, I'll tell you the law and order problem. The law and order problem is like this, that the national agency, it is a national urgency, and NSA has been imposed in some of the states. That is very good. And moreover, it is an essential service, and that Essential Service Act also applies. All are under observation, whether somebody is making more money by charging more for a particular item, or somebody is hoarding, or somebody is black marketing, because there are videos in the public domain, there are audios in the public domain, there are phone calls in the public domain, there are high rates of charges which have been billed are in the public domain. All these are likely to be caught later on, like people who were spitting on the vegetables earlier. So therefore, kindly don't take it granted because it is Modi and Yogi. You don't know them. After the recovery of this disease, they will be caught. Therefore, all those friends who are busy in minting money, I advise them to be little judicious. Now, coming to dead body disposal, I suggest as a healthcare worker that, the mini truck, we call it Dala, that can be used in place of the horseman or the ambulance for easy disposal of the dead bodies. Now, that is phase number 3. Now, coming to phase 4. Coming 15 days, we have to work hard more by 15th of May, because the admission have decreased now. That was initial thing, like in Lucknow, the initial death rate was 13, 19, then 31, then it went up to 60, 61. Now it has come to 19, 13 or 21, or now yesterday it was 37. So the bed increase, the admission has reduced, to be very frank, with our efforts. So that is a hint, but we should continue our efforts. How the admission is reduced? Because people have started taking home precaution, home treatment, self-lockdown. You see, lockdown in my own colony, this is the 5th occasion I am talking from my rooftop. And every time you find this kind of discipline. So I presume in every colony this kind of discipline is there. People are working, there is no lockdown as such in the country, in a majority of the states. So therefore, people have also started cancelling their programs, and people are coming forward voluntarily to help each other. The lax state, the people, the state who are having laxity for last 1 year, they should be helped. I think they need to be rescued. Whichever government is working there, Congress or Aam Aadmi Party, I don't want to go into those details. But those 6 states we have to rescue now, because 50% of the deaths are there. And most important is the discipline, and discipline is certainly, it is visible at the background, and it is not by order. It is a self-discipline of the committee of the colony, or you can say as a citizen of the nation. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for giving me a patience hearing, and this is Colonel Hukum Singh Bis from Lucknow, India. Have a wonderful morning, and stay healthy and happy. Thank you so much.